Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This video is very interesting because some of our students are going to go to a reading contest. And the reading materials are basically from Oxford Read and Imagine. So let's enjoy some excerpts of the story, and here we go. The Big Storm. The storm is very close. Rain is falling, and the wind is stronger and stronger. The storm is coming, says Max. What can we do? We can't walk down the mountain. And we can't sit in the van, says Ben. It's too dangerous on the cliff. Can you start the van, Grandpa? Asked Rosie. I don't know, says Grandpa. The van uses electricity, but where can we find electricity here? There is a flash of lightning. I have an idea, says Grandpa. Glonk, get some wire from the van, please. And that's it. And that is the excerpt of the story. Do you enjoy it? You can go and read the book by yourself, or you can come ask us for more information. I'll see you next time. Bye!